it's Melanie. Happy Monday. I hope you all had a really good weekend. Today I am so excited to bring you my very first Fab Fit Fun unboxing video, and I'm going to be unboxing their spring box today. Fab Fit Fun is partnering with me on this video, so they did send this box for consideration. Fab Fit Fun, if you guys are not aware, is a seasonal subscription service that is filled with over $200 worth of full-sized items. You are going to find everything from fashion to beauty to lifestyle products in here. There is a huge variety, and the box retails for $49.99. They did give me a code for you to be able to get $10 off your first box. So the code is Kong. I will of course put all of the information for how to buy the box, the code, everything like that in my description box, so be sure to check down there. I love that this box comes seasonally, and I really love that it comes with all full-sized items. I have been watching Fab Fit Fun unboxings for well over a year now. Several of my favorite YouTubers have partnered with Fab Fit Fun in the past, and I've just always really enjoyed seeing what is in the boxes. So I'm going to take you guys through this spring box. They do, like I said, come out seasonally, so the next box that will come out after the spring box is obviously the summer box, then there will be a fall and a winter. I just think this is an absolutely incredible value, so if you've never tried the box and you like what's in this one, it is available right now. So if you're interested in receiving this box or any of the add-ons that you can potentially do, check out the Fab Fit Fun website. Again, the link's going to be down below, and see if this is something that you want to get your hands on. So I'm going to go ahead and open the box up, and okay, so it does, everything does come really nicely packaged. So you do get a little, looks like a spring edition pamphlet here, which I'm assuming is going to tell me all about the products that are inside. Another thing that I'm grabbing right off the top here is a HelloFresh $50 off card. So Craig and I were actually just talking about HelloFresh the other day and potentially trying it, so maybe we'll try it. It says that it's $25 off your first 2 boxes and free shipping, so I might try this. Have you guys done HelloFresh? I'm very curious. But okay, and then you've got your products underneath the tissue paper, so I'm going to go ahead and open this up. Okay. So here we have the box, and I'm going to go ahead and set the box down now, and I'm going to run through everything with you guys. So got the little catalog here, and the products are all listed throughout, it seems like. Oh, I already really, okay, I'm curious about that. There is a, this is a bag. This is a really cute bag. I really want to open this. This is so cute. Okay, so this is from Rachel Pally. So this right here is, it looks like a clutch. Oh, it's so cute. Oh, I love this one. I even like this better than the one that's in the catalog. Oh, it's so cute. Okay, so here is the print. So it's really nice creams and like a plum, and then this really pretty cornflower blue. So that's the color on my bag, and this is huge. Oh, and there's another little guy inside. Oh, no, that's a pocket. Sorry. That is a pocket on the inside. This is really nice. So on the inside, you can see here that there is like a little side pocket where you can plop your phone in there and easily find it. And then you just flip it over like this, and there's your super cute clutch. Or obviously you can do it like this as well and just leave a little bit of the print displayed down here. And the tassel's really cute too. Oh, I really like this, you guys. I could totally see myself carrying this summer. I'm excited to have this. I think that this is super cute. And this is not something that I would normally pick out for myself. So I love that something like this is in the box. Okay, so the Rachel Pally bag, let's take a look here. Where is the, okay, I think I should probably start at the front. Yes, let's start at the front. Okay, so the bag retails for $60. It's a reversible clutch in the print Bloom, Zahara, or Paradise. So super cute. Oh, and now I'm seeing all the rest of the things that are in here. All right, I'm just gonna grab. I'm really curious about this. This is a choice product here, so you can actually choose to receive this. This is the Maya Brenner Designs Love Bracelet, and this retails for $65. This is the spendy little bracelet. It's really cute, you guys. Oh, look at that. That's adorable. It's really dainty. Let's take it off the card here. I really actually like this a lot. Oh my gosh, that's adorable. So little tiny love bracelet. Let's see if I can get this on my wrist. How should it go? Why am I not figuring this out? Okay, there we go. Oh, I might need some help getting this on. Okay, I'm gonna have to have Craig help me get this on, but this is adorable, you guys. I really like this a lot. Again, not something that I would traditionally get for myself, but I love it. I do. And $65, that is a, I mean, the box is $49.99, and then if you use the code, it's $39.99. So if you like that bracelet, I would pick up this box. Okay, this is the Free People and Understated Leather Starry-Eyed Travel Eye Mask. Oh, this is interesting. This has, oh, it has a non-toxic cooling insert to keep you feeling and looking refreshed. Ooh, this might be really kind of nice. This might actually be nice for Stella to be able to use because she deals with allergies and dark circles, and I do give her not like an ice pack or anything, but like peas, sometimes a bag of peas to like hold underneath her eyes. She really likes the way that that feels, and this is like, this would actually be perfect for her, and it's adjustable, so it actually would adjust to probably fit her tiny little head. So, and I might try this myself. This is actually really nice. So I'm gonna pop this in the freezer, and I might let her use this after school today. So that's really nice. This does retail for $40, and yeah, it's super cute. I do like that a lot. Okay. Oh, the next thing that is in here, it's a candle. How appropriate. Okay, so this is the number 15 Fresh Linen from Anderson Lily. And this, you are either going to get in the scent Manhattan Beach Fresh Linen, which is what I have, or the Super Bloom. These retail for $45. Ooh, these are a spendy candle. Oh my goodness. I am not used to spending quite that much on a candle that is this size. This is a very pretty packaging though. It is a like copper finish. This would probably be reusable for something else. You could totally plant something in this. Oh, that smells good. Ooh. This is like the perfect either bathroom or laundry room scent. I'll do a candle review on this for sure. So Anderson Lily, I've never actually heard of them, but I might look into them a little bit more. I want to see how this burns, because $45 for a, how many ounces is this? Doesn't say. I'm gonna guess it's like a 4 or 5 ounce candle. It's not huge. Does not say how many ounces it is. Nope. I'm guessing probably about a 5 ounce candle. It's about the size of a Bath and Body Works mason jar candle, so I'm intrigued. I do really like the Fresh Linen scent. I think that that's going to be really nice for either a laundry room or a bathroom, like I said. Let's take a look at this. This is the Ish Lip Statement Palette, and this has 11 intensely pigmented shades and 1 balm that will give your lips a beautiful pop of color. This is $42. And they do have a 20% off code in here for ish.com. So let's take a look at this. I normally don't use a lot of lip palettes, so I'm curious to see how these perform. Typically lip palettes in the past have not been like pigmented enough for me. Ooh, those are really pretty nudes in here. There's a really nice mauve in here as well. So there is a pencil, which I just dropped. Yeah, I think that's probably a pretty decent looking pencil, but here are the shades. So this is the balm over here, and then these nudes here I think are really, really pretty. I would probably never personally wear these shades up here, the reds, but I mean, they are pretty. But these pinks and stuff I would definitely use. So these bottom two rows here are probably going to be right up my alley. Good for mixing and matching. So I'll use this, and you know what? I will give you guys a review on this because I have never really heard much about Ish. This is the hashtag I'm smoking hot palette, I'm guessing. That's what it says on the back. Yeah. So very curious about that. So far, I would say that my least favorite product is probably this, but only because I haven't really used a lot of lip palettes in the past that have blown me away. So I'm very curious about that. I'm excited about this. There is a full size of the Murad Skin Perfecting Lotion in here. So this is massage evenly over face and face, neck, and chest. Follow with a sunscreen. So this is a moisturizer that is a lightweight oil-free moisturizer that provides shine-free hydration for blemish-prone skin. There we go. With honey extract, a natural humectant, queen of meadow. Refines skin texture while arnica soothes skin for smoother, healthier looking complexion. This is perfect for my skin type. It is for oily skin. Fantastic. I'm so excited to use this. I will do a review on this as well. This is obviously a full-size product here, 1.7 fluid ounces, so very excited to start testing that out. I have to put that in my medicine chest. They put a Korres body butter in here. I love Korres body butters. I really do. I think these are fantastic, and the scent is guava. By the way, that Murad Skin Perfecting Lotion retails for $40, so you're getting really good deals in here. Even if you only like one or two of the products, these would all be amazing things to put into a closet to have readily available as gifts when birthdays or holidays come up. I mean, if you're not going to use the candle, set it aside for like a teacher's gift or something like that. I mean, that's what I love about these boxes that come with full-sized items is if it's something that you don't think you'll really use, just save it to gift to somebody else, because the box is just such a great deal, even if you only like 2 or 3 of the things in here. But anyway, so the Guava Body Butter, where is this at? This retails for $24, and this uses shea butter and quince extract to soften and moisturize and rejuvenate the skin, while sunflower, almond, and avocado oils work to nourish and improve skin elasticity and smoothness. I really, really enjoy Korres body products, and this guava is amazing. I'm just gonna grab a little bit of that. So these body butters are really nice, like heavy moisturizers, and that guava smells like $1,000,000. Oh, I like that. It's very summery, very fruity, just really, really nice. Yeah, I kind of like the way that that made my hands feel, and it's not greasy either. Okay, so there is the Dermalect Cosmeceuticals Makeover Concealing Ridge Filler. I don't know anything about this Dermalect Cosmeceuticals company, so I'm gonna have to make sure that this product is cruelty-free. Otherwise, if it is not, I will be putting this into my women's shelter box. So any items that I get in any of my subscription boxes that are not cruelty free, I always put those into a separate pile to be able to donate to a women's shelter. So, but this is basically a ridge filler for your nails. So this is what it looks like here. And this, let's see here. Where is this? Oh, there it is. It retails for $18, and it keeps your nails healthy, smooth, and glossy. And it multitasks by concealing nail imperfections with a natural pink hue while treating them with protein, vitamins, and moisture. I really hope that this, oh, looky here, I should have looked. It's cruelty free. Okay, so it does have the bunny on the side of the box here. So I'm actually gonna try this because you know what? Girlfriend's nails are always in rough shape. Being a florist, my hands are constantly in and out of chemicals, and they're just a hot mess, especially during the summer when I'm at my busiest. So I'm gonna try this. I will let you guys know how this does. I love that it's actually cruelty free. So I will let you know. I'm very excited about that. This is going to go into the donation box. This is the Dove Exfoliating Body Polish. Unilever owns Dove, so I don't believe that Unilever is cruelty free. So this one will be going in the donation box, and this is just, I've actually heard people talking about this. Apparently it's really good, but it's just an exfoliating body polish from Dove. I do prefer the Tree Hut scrubs when I use scrubs in the shower. So, but anyway, I will set this aside, and that will go to a good place for somebody else to be able to use. And this, okay, I have actually had my eye on these in the past. This is a massage roller from Physique 57, and this is used to basically massage tired, achy muscles. You can use it for a little bit of probably fascia blasting. These are some pointy little doodads here, but I bet this would feel amazing. I work out, I lift, and so my muscles are always really tight. I do stretch, but they still just tighten up very easily. So I have been looking for a roller like this to be able to use on my muscles after working out. I'm so excited to try this. So you're supposed to see result in just 8 workouts. What results am I getting here? So the massage roller does wonders for sore, achy muscles, improves flexibility, breaks up scar tissue, and keep tender muscles at bay. Just 5 to 10 minutes a day with this tool will have your body feeling all the feels. So this retails for 20 bucks. So this is really kind of nice. And it is on the smaller end of the spectrum, so this is something that you could toss in your gym bag if you wanted to take it with you. Probably very easy to travel with, but I'm excited to use this. And the color purple is Stella's favorite color, so I'm sure I can convince her to use this on my back as well. Anything purple she is all about, so I can probably sucker her into using this on the backs of my legs as well. But that is everything that is in the box. This is a wonderful box, you guys. I am so excited by everything that is in here. And I mean, it's well over a $200 value. Total value for this particular box is $347 to $354.99. So it depends on the selection that you get in your box. But anyway, let me know if you got the spring Fab Fit Fun box and what your thoughts are on whatever you received in your box. Again, I will put the link for Fab Fit Fun down below, as well as the code to be able to get $10 off your first box. It is a really good value for $49.99, but to be able to get the first one for $39.99 I think is an amazing deal. So take advantage. If you are curious about this box, no regrets. I think that everything in here is a wonderful value, and I'm excited to begin reviewing some of these things for you guys and letting you know what my thoughts are. So a huge thank you to Fab Fit Fun for partnering with me on this particular box, and I look forward to hopefully bringing you more of these in the future. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.